Hello, children. I welcome you all to our integrated science class. This class is supposed to be a lesson in the 11th week, and on the strand, forces and energy. Now, in this strand, we would talk about the substrand, electricity and electronics. My friends, at the end of this lesson, you would all know the meaning of electricity and electronics, and then be able to state some gadgets or materials that use electricity in their operation. I wish you all enjoy your lessons about forces and energy. I know you have all heard of electricity before. You know, in Ghana, most of the items or gadgets we use in our homes actually use electricity. But the question is, what is electricity? I believe at this point you are thinking about so many things. But in our little scope, electricity is a form of energy. Yes, it is a form of energy that moves electrons from one point of a conductor to another point. For instance, if you put on your electrical gadget, the wire that connects the gadget to the socket on the wall is called a conductor. So, as soon as the gadget is put on, a signal called electrons moves from the socket into the gadget. When that happens, the gadget is able to work and work efficiently. With that, we can say that the electrons have assisted the gadget to do work. So you see, electricity is a form of energy. Now, the key word here is energy. And in our lower class, we all learned that energy is the ability to do work. It means that electricity also allows some gadgets to do work. Now, let's look at some of the things that use the power from electricity to do work and make work efficiently. I believe by now, most of us are thinking about so many things we use in our homes. Can we list some of these things? Yes, the light bulbs are examples. Without electricity, our bulbs will not work. Exactly, fans are also examples. The television, the fridge, all these ones use the energy from electricity to do work. My friends, aside these ones, there are a lot more examples of materials that use electricity to do work. Yes, the rice cooker, the computer, the printer, washing machine, even the kettle we use in heating water for our morning breakfast. All these use the energy from electricity to do work. But let me ask you, do you think that the table we use in our homes use electricity? Obviously, the answer is a big no. Why is it so? Because the table does not require signals or electrons from electricity to work. So you can say a table is not a gadget or a material that uses electricity. I believe you all understand the concept of electricity now. And I know that even with what we have mentioned, you can mention a lot more of gadgets that use electricity to function. Some of these gadgets can be found in the homes, and I want you to identify them. Some can be found in our schools. Others are found at the places that we play. Good. My friends, to really know that you understand these, let's see if we can answer these questions. Electrical appliances cannot work without using energy from. So if you have a question like this, and you are given options such as electricity, machine, and battery, it's obvious the answer you have in your mind is correct. However, I'm not going to answer it for you. It is for you to answer. Again, the different electrical items we use in our homes and schools are called, yes, I mentioned it in the notes I presented. In case you have forgotten, just replay and get it. Now the third question, mention 5 electrical appliances used at home or schools. Then finally, for this one, I want you to take your pencil and your book. You're going to do a very nice drawing for me. I hope you're happy to do that. Are you ready? Okay. Draw 1 electrical appliance used at home. Yes, very, very easy. I hope you have enjoyed your science lesson for the week 11 on the topic force and energy, diving deep into electricity as our substrand. Our focus was for us to understand what electricity is, and again to know some gadgets that use electricity to work. Thank you for your audience, and I hope you've had a great time in your first science class. Catch you again in our second science class. All the best, friends. I'm still your teacher, Sir Richmond Walker Adu. It's bye for now.